Ever bought something on discount or seen prices increase and wondered what the original price was? That's where reverse percentage comes in, and it's simpler than you think. Reverse percentage is a technique used to determine the original amount before a percentage change. For example, after a 10% increase, petrol now costs £2 per liter. How much did it cost before the increase? To solve reverse percentage problems, first identify the percentage change. In this case, the price increased by 10%. Second, adjust for the increase or decrease. Since the price increased, we add the percentage. 100% plus 10% gives 110%. Third, set up the ratio. We now know that the new price, that is £2, is 110% of the original amount, so £2 represents 110%. We want to find the original 100%. Finally, use ratios to find the original price. £2 is equal to 110%, then 100% is X pounds. After cross-multiplying, we get 1.82 pounds. So the original price before the 10% increase was 1.82 pounds. Another example. A laptop is currently priced at £900 after a 25% discount. What was the original price before the discount? Identify the percentage change. The price decreased by 25%, so it is 100% minus 25%, which gives 75%. Set up the ratio. £900 represents 75% of the original price. Use ratios to find the original price. If £900 is equal to 75%, then 100% is equal to X pounds. After cross-multiplying, X is equal to 1,200 pounds. So the original price of the laptop was £1,200 before the 25% discount. To recap, reverse percentage is a technique used to determine the original amount before a percentage change. To solve reverse percentage problems, first, identify the percentage change. Second, adjust for the increase or decrease. Third, set up the ratio. Finally, use ratios to find the original price. Mastering reverse percentage allows you to think backwards in math, finding hidden originals and understanding real-world changes before they even happen. Now that you can uncover original prices, in the next video, we'll explore percentage of an amount, the foundation of discounts, taxes, and savings calculations. Stay tuned, stay curious.